Hey everyone, we're going to take a look today at the Chris Craft 24 Calypso right behind me. As you can see, this is powered with a 350 Mercury Verado. This is the Verado that does have the supercharger on it. Super quiet, amazing performance with the outboard motor. So we're going to come up here, take a look at all the features and benefits of this 24 Calypso. Come on up here. We're going to be on this platform right here, which does give us some nice space. We can still get to the other side. I really like that, being able to walk on the other side of the outboard, which is really handy and nice. You'll notice on the transom of this boat, we do have a live well and or bait well right here that could also double as a cooler. Fishing rod holders here. If you do choose to cast a little bit off this boat, we have a freshwater tank here, and then a transom shower to rinse off as we're coming into the boat. Really nice entrance into this boat here with an easy step. One thing that's really nice about the Chris Craft line is they've been really incorporating the side entry door. We're going to give that one click and this opens with ease, allowing us to have a side entry and onto a dock or from a shore station hoist or what have you. So very functional, very easy to get in and out of, whether it's the stern or the side. You can see over here we have our battery switch operation. Very user-friendly in its location. And then just to my left, we're going to have the Yeti cooler. This is going to allow us to have nice cold drinks on the boat and easy access of the cooler, so nobody has to get out of their seat or what have you. We do have this table already set up. This is the teak table, flips open, has lots of room, lots of space, or we can flip it closed. That way we can pass through here nice and easy. One thing that's unique about the passenger area is the flip lounger. So just one click here, and we're going to be able to put it at that position, or we can go all the way down. Our battery powered up, so we have our stereo, which is our Fusion Bluetooth stereo. This does have the premium upgrade, which gives you that subwoofer and that extra amplifier. Up here at the console, we do have our 10-inch Garmin display. Really beautiful laid out dash with our stainless steel windshield header. Backlit switching, so we can always see those switches even at night. Really great experience at the helm for the driver. All Chris Craft seats have the same stainless steel rail all around it. Just a beautiful look. We have our double flip up bolster here. I'm going to put this back. Passenger has a nice convenient storage in here, and then we do have a head compartment, which currently it has the infrared red light on it. So we do have a porta potty situation here, or you can use it as extra storage, whatever you prefer. As we're coming through the walkway here, we have a nicely stowed walk-through door that's going to protect us from the wind. Close that up and we'll have a nice comfortable ride. They utilize the storage very well here, allowing us to access underneath the console. We have life jackets stored in there now, tie lines and fenders. Really nicely laid out boat here with an expansive deep bow. Really nice if you're sitting here. You got nice high backrests, flip armrest here, super comfortable. We have a USB charging ports over here for your passengers as well. And then classic Chris Craft style, you always have this nice foredeck that gives it a super rich look on top of the windlass area. This is the faux teak, which is kind of a foam material. So this is not one that you do have to do any maintenance on. It's going to be non-maintenance on any of these tow rails, the back swim deck, and up here. Lastly, we'll show you the windlass here. This is our powered windlass, which we can power it by a control here, or we do have the operation at the dash to put your windlass anchor up and down, so you can have a nice, easy situation for anchoring out there on the lake or the sea. So yeah, that's a 24 Calypso, beautiful boat. We have more pictures and information on our website at niswamarine.com. You've been watching a walkthrough video with MarineMax Nisswa Marine.